So, hello, today we'll be drawing nature with markers. My name's Justin Lucan. Like always, if you look on the thing, JJ Lucan. It's another video today, and we're going to be drawing. So, let's draw nature. Okay, so first, if you want to draw a beautiful nature scene, you're going to need some grass. Which is why you're going to add some, you're going to use the tip to make a beautiful hill looking, to make it look good, okay? So you're going to make a little hill right here, get outlined in green, so it'll look beautiful, okay? This is what I call, okay? Then after that humongous part, you're gonna want to add one at the right here. So you're gonna add one in this little area right here. I'm gonna draw it down below, and after you can copy. Okay, so pause the video after. Okay, I'm done with that. Now copy me. I'll give you a couple minutes.
I bought a bag of dog treats, I bought a bottle of bleach, right? I bought you some tacos, right?
Alright, it's time now. If you're not done, just pause the video. Alright, so now we are going to add some little things to our thing. So on here, we're going to color this all in, except for one part, because I'll show you. Just look. Okay, so yeah, fast forward so you don't have to wait for me to take like forever this whole time. Okay. Alright, now look at that. Copy that, fast forward the video, pause the video, and color it in. Anyway, next step. So that's going to be yellow marker. Use your yellow marker for this next part. You can use anything, crayon, marker, color pencil. Okay, alright. Color that all in with your yellow, and after that you're gonna put a black dot in the middle. Okay, so you're gonna put a black dot right in the middle of your piece of artwork. Now after you make this, pause the video to see, and then after that, you are going to fill this all in. It's okay if the grass specks don't see. It's really okay. But if it doesn't show like this, if it actually does not show on your paper like I did, just add a line with black. Just do the same thing. Just do this. And boom, we got a perfect flower in the corner. Anyway, now let's go into the next part, up here in this spot. So right up here in this area, you're going to put a little fashion design in this. At the top, you're going to grab your blue and start coloring. Add clouds as many as you want. I'm going to add my clouds, color in the sky. Pause the video. Fast forward if you haven't. Alright. Look at that. Pause the video if you don't got enough time. Anyway, if you remember my last video, which is about 11 months ago from today, 11 months ago from today, we made Hadra a Among Us character. So yeah, I got more talented at art and started to do this. Are you ready for the next part? Let's go straight into it. Now as we make our hill, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. We're going to make it look like a steep hill, which is why I'm going to do this. Fast forward, and then when you see it, pause the video. Pause if you haven't already. Just fast forward if you haven't already. Fast forward if you haven't already. Okay, so now since we're going to do this, I'm going to keep on writing with the thing. Keep on doing this so we can finish this.
What? Where's Woody?
Justin, we're gonna get going in a couple minutes. Come here, shovel head. Yeah. Poopy, what are you doing?
Watch out!
What, Justin? Oh, you making a video? Sorry.
Just turn it off.
That's a cool picture.
Now copy that right there, okay? And now our next part is going to be the steep grass, okay? So we're gonna add some steep grass to our thing. We're gonna add some steepy grass. Alright, fast forward to see what the picture will look like. And pause when you're ready. still ready, so fast forward the video if you need to. Okay. Now, as you see that, just pause the video to color that. And then after, well, you may be wondering, why is there green and then brown and then green? Well, this is gonna be part of the hill. This is gonna be part of the hillside, so it's the side of the hill, and it goes all the way down to here. It's the grass of the hill. This is the sky above. And then now we just gotta do the sand, which is why we're gonna add the same thing, okay? So we are gonna add mostly grass and then just add a little bit of brown, okay? So, fast forward the video until you see me pick up this thing, and then after that, pause the video and then draw it, okay? Got that. Okay. Now, copy all of this puzzle here, and then after that, just add a little brown tag to the edge, and then boom. You got this whole nature picture. Sign your name up the corner, and then show all your friends that you do this if you want to. Watch another JJ Lugan's video. Alright? More drawing videos, more FNAFs, and more gaming.